What's up guys? Today it's 6:30 AM Eastern Time. It's Maryland. Tara, Dubai tayo. So we just passed immigration and then nandito tayo ngayon sa may carousel. Kailangan natin yung maleta natin and then masyal na tayo.
Traditional dress, Arabic dress.
I'm okay, thank you.
Just try pare. I have Dubai t-shirt also. Come.
So time check, it's 8:45 and then dito tayo sa may Al Sif, yung parang sinaunang ano nila, village, nakatabi ng creek. Na yung mga restaurants, tsaka mga bilihan, mga boat rides, and ma'am, hi ka naman ma'am. 4 million views to. Sabi po nung ating source, dito daw po nagde-date yung mga kababayan natin na may mga asawa sa Pilipinas.
Hindi ako yung nagsabi noon.
Ay, mahal. Smile ba ako? Ha? Video.
Ba't naman kasi hindi ka nag-birthday? Grabe ka naman.
Pasok tayo sa loob.
Once you wanna go in, it's in the visit la Kalashi.
So we are here in Dubai Mall and then ang first spot natin is Chinatown. Ayan. Tara. food court ng Dubai Mall. Ang laki ng food court dito, parang ano na. Parang SM Sangandaan na yung food court pa lang. Ikot. Ayan. Ano sa loob?
Onions. Sarap.
Sarap. So kakatapos lang namin kumain ng boss niya na kebab. Akala namin merienda lang. So parang dinner na pala yung nangyari doon. Kasi 7 na eh. So papunta na kami ngayon sa The Dubai Fountain. Eh ano yan eh? Mga plastic yan. May rose bang hindi nalalanta?
Yung rose ko.
Uy! Salbahe ka. Nakakatakot ka. Magkakaroon ng 1 million views to, tas ganyan ka.
Dahil sa akin, magkakawan views ka.
Kung kailan nagpe-play yung fountain?
Mga 20 to 30 minutes. Every 20 to 30 minutes. Iba-ibang song from 6 p.m.
6 p.m. hanggang mga 12, ganyan.
Hindi, mga 10.
Kalimutan ko tuloy tatanong ko. Sakto-sakto yung dating.
I'm like, yeah, she fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past our prayers, rewind to see that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys, they know us. All fast money, no slow, but no one can control us. Yeah, baby. Baby girl, you're so damn fine though. I'm trying to know if I could hit it from behind though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine though. And when it's over, I press rewind though. You talking bands, girl, I got it. Benjamin's all in my pocket. I traded in my truths for some robins. He playing Batman, Fatty's gon' rob him. I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no 38. I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past our prayers, rewind to see that ass one more time. And I got the soda. Remy boys, they know us. All fast money, no slow, but no one can control us. Yeah, baby. Hey, she a cutie and she.
So nandito na po tayo sa may pinakabilihan ng ticket sa may Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo ticketing. Ayan. So tingnan natin kung magkano yung mga price ng ticket nila. Dami oh, pompa no. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob.
Meron kasi ako nito, tignan mo. Entertainer.
Oh. yung parang footprints na to. I guess bakit ng escalator. Kasi hindi yata dyan mismo yung aquarium.
Yan yung aquarium mismo.
Oh,
Dahil may yung ibang activity sa taas.
nasa taas.
Continue your journey to level 2.
We are going to ride the boats. For safety, wear your jacket and close your buckle. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nahulog ako dun ah.
Naku, hindi kasha. Naku, hindi talaga kasha.
Parang mas sumulubog tayo kahit sa kanila. Ito pala yung harapan eh. Dapat dyan talaga tayo.
My name is Mohammed Danjuma. I'm here to be your captain. For the safety, don't remove your jacket, okay? Don't put your hand inside the water. Don't stand inside the boat. If you have any question, feel free, okay? Thank you very much.
Do that.
Yes, if you want. So the divers go inside on the shark 100 cage and we feed them one by one every day around 2 p.m. Yes, because you know the shark, if they're hungry, they put the small fish inside.
Yeah.
So we feed them every day to avoid it. Every day.
They're relaxed.
Yes. You see that the Sun Tiger shark?
How many? Does it happen sometimes that they attack, or is this very
The shark
limited?
is their natural behavior. You can never squash them. Sometimes they can take one inside, but we feed them to avoid it. Yes.
Yeah.
Sometimes they take one. They take.
But it does look spectacular, I
Yes.
guess.
It's their natural behavior. You can
Yeah,
never
it
stop
was.
that.
So it kind of looks impressive, I think.
Inside the tank also, we have approximately 20,000 fish inside. 20,000, 85 different species.
Nice.
You see the
Oh,
fish
yeah,
feeding?
yeah.
Yes, that's the fish feeding. On your ticket, you can feed it. If you get inside, after the penguin call, you come down to
Okay.
feed the fish.
Yeah.
No, I say for the ticket, from the different locations. It's not included from this place.
isda. Meron din mga dito, reptiles, ibon, tsaka
Ay, sa pink tarantula.
yan, tarantula.
Ay, saan?
Ayun o, ayun o.
Ayun. Hindi ka ata kaya let.
Sorry, what? Di kaya. Takot ka ba, ma'am?
Nakalaglag yung phone ko.
may pagkain yung mga fish.
Ito ang pakain ko sa fish.
Nahanap niyo.
Tignan mo, hindi ka kasya dito.
Kasya ako dyan.